G'day traders, it's Jason here, and only reason I'm shooting this video today is because we had the same freaking setup yesterday. I think even before yesterday we had the same setup in around the open of the stock market. So let me show you what we got here. We have, oh, it's right here. Wake up, Jason, wake the fuck up. Okay, we have a low and a lower low. That's what we got. That's it. And we have a low and a higher low. So what's that? That is the opposite of that. So that is divergence to the upside. Okay? Just let me fucking get it together here. I just woke up. I'm always in a fucking brain fog. I have brain fog all the fucking time, so it's like I'm half asleep all the time until I wake up, like later today, like in the evening. That's when I wake up. That's when I fucking wake up. So what am I looking for here? I'm looking for the fucking arrow right here. Okay? Boom. Right on the opening of this candle. See, what time was that? 16:35. Yeah, see? Right on the open. You buy it right there and fucking up it goes. And then a second dip, these two red candles, you buy it right here on the opening at the pivot of this third candle right here, which is bullish. And it went way the fuck up there. You would have made money on that one too. And then the next trade would have been right here. Buy the dip, sell the rip, right? So that's what we're doing here. We're buying the dip, selling up here, selling the rip. Buy the dip, sell the rip. And again, buy the dip, sell the rip, buy the dip. See, two more bearish closing candles. Buy right here, and up it goes again. That's three fucking buy the dip, sell the rips, right? Three fucking trades all the way up. But I'll put them on there just for laughs and giggles. Okay, you want to buy on the opening of that candle. And you want to buy on this one. This one, you would have had some drawdown. But if you held on, you were okay. As long as the 5 white dash line is above the 7 EMA pink line, you can only do one thing. You can only buy the dip and sell the fucking rip. Okay? Yes. At least that's the way I trade anyway. There's other traders, they come in here and they'll fucking, when the 5's above the 7, they'll fucking sell, and when the 5's below the 7, they'll do the opposite of what the indicators tells them. That's what they'll do, these guys, because they're guessing. They're fucking guessing. They're not paying attention to what the indicator's telling you, what the trend is telling you. They're just take fucking stabs at it and hope they win. And sometimes they do win, because there's always retracements. Me, I hardly ever lose. Like, I know I sound like some asshole, but I've been doing this 25 fucking years. 25. A quarter of a fucking century. That's how I know my shit. So anyway, I follow the fucking indicators, but I'm only looking to buy down here where the market turns and goes bullish from bearish. I'm not going to do it way the fuck up here and buy way the fuck up there, because that'll get you in trouble. It'll probably retrace and you'll jump out of the trade and you'll be a loser. You know what I'm saying? That's why I put the arrows on here. Let's put one more arrow on here just to show you where is the only spots where I would have bought. Okay? The third one is right there. Boom, boom, boom. You see that? All three setups right there were entered after bearish lower closing candles. Okay? I'm not trying to say it fast. I know I sound a little slow at times, but I try and say it as clearly as I can with you guys, so you can follow what I'm saying, and you understand what I'm saying. Okay? Instead of saying, oh yeah, there's a dip, 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 dip. Oh yeah, buy it, buy it, buy it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's not the way to fucking explain it. So before this trade here, okay, what was there? There was a trade over here. Let me show you. Is there something? No, it's not there. Okay. Let me show you the trade. Okay. Right here to right here. Just like that. See? This is opposite of this. See? It's a sell trade. Now this sell trade was right on the opening of this candle right here, and it went down this much. $95 points from there to there. Not that you would have got 95 points, ladies and gentlemen, but I'm showing you the max potential points to be made somewhere in here, okay? Somewhere where you would have sold it here and all the way down to here. You had 90 something points to do it. And over here, you had a lot fucking more. This was the main trade of the day. This was after the stock market opened, and you would have bought right there. And if you would have took it right up here to this top of this wick, it's 276 points. This here is 300, I believe. 300. This is the NASDAQ. 331 fucking points. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Unless I'm reading it wrong, but I don't think I'm reading it wrong. So there are the 4 trades. No, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. No, there's 5 trades. We got 1 sell trade and 4 buy setups that occurred. Okay. And I only sold when the 5 was below the 7. I only bought when the 5 was above the 7. You see? Because I follow my indicators. I listen, I see what they're doing, and I see what they're about to do. And I don't trade against that. Very little do I, not hardly at all do I ever trade against what my indicators are telling me. And you should neither. Do you want to win? Do you want to fucking win and make money? Then slow down your little britches, and wait for the trade. Have patience. Like Kung Fu from the show Kung Fu. I can't remember, what did he used to say, that guy? I can't remember. I'm sorry. Because of the fucking stroke, I can't remember things. Usually I remember everything. But anyway, there was 5 setups here today. They were all good to scalp and make profits. I'm not getting in the trade to stay in it for like an hour. I get into trades and I quickly take profits. That's how you win. If you're for sure you think it's going to do what it's going to do. You see, there's an old saying from me, and it is, trade what you see, not what you assume to think. But the saying is, trade what you see, not what you think. Because if you trade what you think, okay, you're gonna look at the chart, and you're gonna go, oh, I'm gonna buy this. Your mind's telling you to buy it, but maybe you should be looking for a sell trade. So you trade what you see, the movement of the chart on the chart. Oh fuck, I can't talk now. You gotta do the same kind of thing it's doing, because if you trade against it, you're gonna be fucked. That's why you say that's the saying. Trade what you see, not what you think. Okay? So remember that saying, even for the next 25 years, it'll be the same thing. I'll be long gone dead. But yeah, trade what you see, not what you think. Okay, guys? Okay. Thank you for listening today. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. I try and share my trading knowledge from 25 years of experience. I try and share it with you, and I try and say it in a way that you'll understand it. I'm not talking too slow. I'm not talking too fast. I'm trying to say it clearly at medium speed so you guys capture everything I'm saying. Okay? So anyway, it's Friday. Have a good weekend. Good luck and good trading.